my god! Oh my god, where's spawn? Oh my god! Dude! Dude, in my backyard is this small bird. Chat, it's the bird chat that's like, guys, it doesn't move when it flies. It flies and it goes. I don't think it's gonna perch. It's not perching. I can't take a picture. It's gone.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
It might come back.
Who's that?
Fuck. Guys, it's about they big, and it's green, and it hovers.
Just trying to capture.
Schizo.
Is it a hummingbird?
Schizo. Look, guys, schizo.
Let me see on YouTube.
Yo.
Standing, by the sweet temper known species, lands precisely.
Yeah, that's him.
Schizo, wake up.
The female is the only one responsible for reproduction in all known species.
That's him.
Is vital for sucking the nectar, but with a tiny.
Guys, in Elijah, are these rares? That's gotta be rare, right? That's gotta be rare.
Inside that completes this sophisticated instrument.
No, I fuck you then. Shut up. You're nobody. What was that? Don't go. Don't go. There he is. No! Don't go. Don't go. He's gone.
You haven't got a single frame of any animal out there.
He's gone.